Guys, today I'm talking about a really interesting project, all right? This is actually an innovative tournament platform on Aura's platform, all right? And I'm going to be doing that after this disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes.
So let's get straight in. So guys, the first thing we want to talk about is Aura. Now, the Aura is an incredible project, all right? It's a portal to Web3 gaming. You can see some of the games it's got here: Sandbox, Zedrun, Neon District, okay? If NFT gaming is your thing, Aura is the place to be, all right? You got to log in here and get involved. Now, I am going to be talking particularly about one object inside of Aura, okay, and one that's related to it. But I wanted to just give you a quick overview of what exactly this is. You can see by this video, all right? You can get into these web game free platforms just from Aura. Now, it's an incredible, incredible project. Now, whether that's for the NFT communities, the Web3 gamers, the metaverse, the Web2 gamers, or gaming studios. Now, what I'm completely directing you to on Aura is Wager. All right, that's what we're going to be talking about today. And what that allows you to do is create and compete in Web3 tournaments. And it's time for you to bring your communities together and start bringing these tournaments to you. Now, there's a lot of reasons why, and I'm going to dive into that first, but Wager is the main reason that we're speaking about this today, okay? And it's inside the Aura platform. Now, guys, you can see here, I'm going to show you an actual way to set up your tournaments. I'm going to show you a complete tutorial of it. But please know that Wager right now is probably the most innovative way that you can communicate with people through the NFT tournaments. 100%, okay, guys? So please let me know in the comments if you've used it or if you're planning on using it right now. Guys, if you haven't played Zedrun, it's a really, really cool game, all right, where you can actually breed your horses like this. You can see here, have your horses. You can actually get a Nakamoto horse, one of the best, all right, and race them yourself. It's really, really cool. And what they've allowed you to do on here with Wager is create your own tournament. So, guys, all you simply do is connect your MetaMask, all right, and create the tournament inside of there. Guys, it's such a cool concept. So you can now play with your friends on tournaments and things like that. Now, what I want to do is show you with this example how to actually create a tournament, okay? Now, it's not hard. So once the loading has finished, okay, Wager's going to show you, and I'm going to speak over it for you. So creating, competing, and conquer, they want to be able to let you take control. Okay, so if you're tired of playing by someone else's rules, example, the gaming developers, all right, it's time for you to make some for yourself. Obviously, you've got to stay within guidelines, right? So you simply connect to Aura like I showed you before, connect the wallet of your choice, all right? MetaMask is the one supported, and then do the transaction so it actually connects and sign it. Once you're connected, it's super easy, right? You simply click Create Tournament. After that, there's 3 different steps. Okay, so creating the tournament, enter the name. So the Underdog Cup, scoring details, custom, F1, whatever it is you want to do. You can change the positions, the custom values of that, and change the names for them as well. Guys, put in whatever the points you want to do for the tournament and the name, and you can save that there as well for the future. Okay, have a time deadline if you'd like. It does make it more effective, and the minimum amount of players and the entry fees. The entry fees are going to be paid in Matic, all right? First place, second place, and third place for how much they get cut off it. If it's a self-funded tournament, no problem. And then click next step. On the next step, give a brief tournament description, okay, and then continue. You're gonna have to choose the different NFT eligibility conditions. So you don't want to have the best NFTs and the worst NFTs racing at the same time. You can actually choose what class to put them in and deploy, but make sure you click the capture for you are a human. All right, it's super easy. Your tournament's made. All right, you can do it and just wait for the players to load up. Now, guys, something to know: early adopters are actually going to dominate the current Web3 gaming space, all right? If you're getting in early enough, you're going to dominate. That's just a fact. And what this is doing is giving you, whether you're a big adopter, a small adopter, new to the space, a chance to get involved in tournaments to win prizes instead of having to go to these big tournaments where people have already dominated these games. Stay involved on their Twitter, okay, and all their socials to actually get involved with these tournaments that are already built, or build your own. But guys, from me, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone, okay? This was an incredible project that I wanted to get to you. I want you to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.